Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is your chapter 8, Multimedia and Internet. So we all use internet, yes students, and we very well know that technology is the need of the hour and so does the internet. We cannot imagine our life without smart gadgets we see in our daily life, AR VR gadgets. So all these are multimedia devices that will learn that how to use the technology using these devices. So let's just begin. Requirement for a multimedia system: multimedia input devices, multimedia output devices, application areas of multimedia, internet, important terminology, basic requirements for internet connection, using a web browser. So let's just start the chapter.
Look at my computer system. It is a multimedia system. Multimedia is anything and everything that we watch and listen in a form of text, photograph, audio, video and many more. This is usually recorded and played, displayed or accessed by information content processing devices such as computerized and electronic devices. Multimedia is used being in the business, schools, home, public places and virtual reality. These have many functions to do many things and have made the things to more mobile. Requirement for a multimedia system. A computer should have basic hardware and software required to play, support and operate different media in it. These are a CPU with Pentium 4 processor or more, a RAM of at least 512 megabytes or more, primary storage or hard disk with storage capacity of 20 gigabytes or more, Windows operating system you monitor with good color resolution. Input devices and output devices use CD-ROM drive, DVD-ROM drive, sound card, graphic card, multimedia input devices, keyboard and mouse. Both these input devices are used to give inputs for multimedia programs and related applications. Microphones. A microphone is an input device that is used to record voice, music and sound on the computer. This device may be inbuilt in the computer or may need to be plugged into the CPU of the computer. Joystick. A joystick is a game controlling device which is used to play video games using a console on the television or as multimedia on the computer. Multimedia output devices. Monitor. Monitor is a device which enables us to view the output on the screen. Digital camera. Digital camera is an input device used to record still photographs or videos. The digital camera has a small memory chip in it which stores all the recorded data. This recorded data on the memory chip can be read by the computer and we can see the media on the multimedia player. Speaker. Speaker is an output device which is used to listen to audio, voice or sound which is a part of any multimedia program or application being run on the computer. A speaker may be inbuilt into the computer or they may be attached externally to the CPU. Headphones. Headphones is an output device which enables the sound output to be heard only by one person. The user places the headphones on his ears and listens to the multimedia without disturbing others in the surrounding. Headphones are of two types: 1. In-ear headphones, 2. Out-ear headphones. Virtual reality headsets. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Multimedia is one of the key drivers improving virtual reality. A VR headset is a heads-up display that allows users to interact with simulated environments and experience a first-person view. It replaces the user's natural environment with VR content such as a movie, a game or a pre-recorded 360-degree VR environment that allows the user to turn and look around, just as in the physical world. Application areas of multimedia. Multimedia is a very powerful tool. Its uses in different fields are as follows: education. Multimedia is used to teach educational programs to the students in a more interactive way. Entertainment. The main aim of multimedia in entertainment industry is to develop special effects in movies, games, animations, and videos. Media. To prepare web pages, books, magazines, newspapers that are attractive and user-friendly. Business. Multimedia is used for making presentations and for providing training, demonstrations, etc. Advertising. Using multimedia. Attractive advertisements using graphic designs or animated designs can be created to sell products worldwide. Internet. Internet is one of the most creative and popular inventions in the history of the world. It has efficiently opened up the possibilities of further advancements in many other fields of existence. It has made our lives convenient and has also made the world look smaller to us. Internet allows us to access the information displayed on various websites. These websites which display and add information to the internet have to follow certain set protocols for ensuring cyber safety. Internet is provided by internet service providers. Many companies across India and the globe provide internet connections. Some of these companies are Airtel, Reliance Communications, MTNL, BSNL, etc. There are two types of internet connections. 1. Dial-up connection. It requires users to link their phone line to a computer in order to access the internet. 2. Broadband connection. This refers to high-speed data transmission in which a single cable can carry to large amount of data at once. Modem. Modems are used to transmit digital information via analog systems. The word modem is derived from the term modulator-demodulator. The essential functions of a modem are to modulate an analog carrier signal to carry digital information, and to demodulate a same signal so as to decode the digital information from the analog carrier signal. Web page. A web page, also known as electronic page, is a part of the World Wide Web. It is just like a page in a book. The basic unit of every website or document on the web is a web page containing the information. A web page can contain an article, or a single paragraph, photographs, and it is usually a combination of text and graphics. World Wide Web. www is a group of internet sites interconnected by means of hypertext, providing access to images and sound in addition to text. Website. Website is a page or collection of pages on the World Wide Web that contains specific information, which was all provided by one person or entity and traces back to a common uniform resource locator. Web browser. A web browser is a software application that people use in order to view web pages on the internet. It can be used to upload or download files on FTP servers. Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera are the examples of web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera. Home page. The home page is the name of the main page of a website where visitors can find hyperlinks to other pages on the site. Search engines. It is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. Etc. are the examples of some famous search engines. Basic requirements for internet connection. To connect to the internet, you need a computing device, a connection device, and an internet service provider. An ISP is a company that provides internet connectivity to individuals, businesses, and organizations. It may also provide additional services such as storage space to store your personal data. The computing device can be a personal computer, a laptop computer, a tablet, or a handheld device such as a smartphone. You'll also need some form of network connection device. This may be a router connected to your telephone line via wireless network or a mobile telephone provider's network. The device you need to connect will usually be built into your computing device, however it can be externally attached to it. You use this connection to connect to your ISP. You may connect to your network connection device physically via cable or wireless means. This wireless means will usually be via a standard called Wi-Fi. Most wireless devices are compatible with the Wi-Fi standard. Uses of Internet. The uses of Internet are endless. A few of them are as follows. Education. Internet is a valuable source for a lot of information. Data and information related all fields are updated in the Internet. Students can spend a few minutes over the Internet to read their relevant study materials. Communication. With Internet, communication has become better and easier. One can call and talk to someone over the Internet. Video calls are an interesting option with communication through Internet. Mailing is one another form of communication which is widely used in daily corporate life. Current updates. Daily updates and current happenings are made available in the Internet instantly. Internet is considered the real-time hub for all updates about politics, sports, entertainment, science, business, and many other fields. Corporate base. The corporate world relies on Internet for file sharing, data transfer, internal communication, and external communication, and many other purposes. In simple words, Internet forms the base of the corporate today. E-commerce. Other than using Internet for business purposes, a business itself can be started and accomplished through the Internet. E-commerce has lot of advantages like reaching the customers easily, giving a lot of information about the business, clearing customer queries instantly and making the payment also possible over the Internet. Using a web browser. Back. This button takes us back to the previous page we have already visited. Forward. This button will take us to the page we were on before we pressed the back button. To view the next pages in serial order, click on the forward button. Reload this page. This button will reload the most recent version of the current page. Bookmark this page. This option allows the user to store and organize the chosen websites so that we can revisit them anytime when needed. New tab. This button allows to open a web page in a new tab. We can also open a link in a new tab. Right-click on the link and select the Open Link in New Tab option. Customize and control Google Chrome. This button will display a drop-down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings.